1. Introduction. Nebivolol is a third-generation beta blocker mainly used to treat high blood pressure, hypertension. It is unique compared to older beta blockers because it not only slows the heart rate but also helps widen blood vessels through nitric oxide release. 2. Mechanism of action. Nebivolol works in two main ways. Selective beta-1 blockade. It blocks beta-1 receptors in the heart, reduces heart rate and cardiac output. Vasodilation. It stimulates nitric oxide release, relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. 3. Uses. Indications. Hypertension, primary use. Heart failure, in some cases. Off-label uses may include angina, arrhythmias, migraine prevention. 4. Dosage and administration. Typical starting dose, 5 mg once daily. Dose range, 2.5 mg, 40 mg daily depending on patient condition. Can be taken with or without food. Dose adjustment may be needed in elderly patients. Liver impairment. 5. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, well absorbed orally. Metabolism, liver, via CYP2D6 enzyme. Half-life, 10-12 hours, longer in poor metabolizers. Excretion, urine and feces. 6. Side effects. Common. Headache. Fatigue. Dizziness. Bradycardia, slow heart rate. Less common but serious. Hypotension. Heart block. Bronchospasm, rare due to selectivity. 7. Contraindications. Severe bradycardia. Heart block, 2nd or 3rd degree. Severe liver impairment. Cardiogenic shock. 8. Drug interactions. Other antihypertensives, increased risk of hypotension. CYP2D6 inhibitors, e.g., fluoxetine, increase nebivolol levels. Calcium channel blockers, e.g., verapamil, risk of heart block. 9. Advantages over other beta blockers. Better tolerated. Less effect on respiratory system. Improves endothelial function. Lower risk of metabolic side effects. 10. Special precautions. Do not stop abruptly, may cause rebound hypertension. Use cautiously in diabetes, can mask hypoglycemia symptoms. Asthma/COPD. Monitor blood pressure and heart rate regularly. 11. Brand names. Common brand, Bystolic.